Are you an adventurous person who loves off-road journeys? Do you own a Ford Bronco and are always looking for trails to explore? If so, Ford has just launched the perfect companion for you, the new Bronco Trail App. Available only for Bronco owners, let's dive into the details and see what else this app has to offer. The Bronco Trail App provides approximately 1,200 professionally curated off-road trail maps in the US, Canada, and Mexico. You can filter by location, length, difficulty, and more. Discover roughly 18,000 miles of existing trails. Each trail has a description and can be saved for future use for points of interest. The app also lets you keep track of what's ahead, such as tough challenges, scenic points of interest, waypoints, and can't miss photo ops. You can even add your own waypoints, photos, and notes about your experience once you've saved the trip. Access and download different map styles and prepare for the journey ahead, including satellite imagery and 2D topographic maps. The Bronco Trail App even features a real-time tire pressure gauge built in to help you adjust to the desired tire pressure on the trail and the recommended pressure for the road. You can even use it without cell service or cloud connection. Adventure tracking. Bookmark and record favorite trails to visit again, or share experiences from your phone with other Bronco owners. You can even capture video of your drive by securing your smartphone in the vehicle, and once you're done recording, the video will be automatically saved to your phone and available to share via text, social media, or online forums. You can view finished recordings in the app or through connection with your vehicle center console, with overlaid data like speed, RPM, distance traveled, elevation, and more. In conclusion, the Bronco app is the perfect companion for those looking to get the most out of their Bronco, especially when they want to go off the beaten path. Download the app today and link it to your Ford Pass account to access these key features and discover new trails to explore. Don't forget the Bronco Trail app is available to download in both Apple Store and Google Play. Share your adventures with other off-roaders and take the road less traveled in the new Bronco Trail app. Thanks guys, and don't forget to follow all the Chastang channels